honking your horn, there's 5 other lanes, and I'm king of them all, and faster than light, with my fists in the air. If my body's alive, then my soul's unaware, braving the last of this terrible wine. I've savored the last, and I've kissed it goodbye. There's no kind of right way to do what I'll do, but I'm king of the earth, with impossible blood on this 3rd of June. Hold on, officer, I know that I'm a danger to myself, and it shows 'cause I'm on the other side of the law. There's no way tonight, as far as I know, that heaven will take me, so I'm staggering home. Show me the way, oh show me the light. Yeah, I'm drunk, but I'm ready to kick some ass tonight. Still honking those horns, yeah, just drive around, 'cause you're all being ignored, oh, deadpan and bright.
Time seems to move so fast around us, but we stay constant. We've done and achieved so much over that time and grown together.
Just waving my arms like some terrible mind.
I could talk about you and their amazing life to date for hours, but as you've made explicitly clear, I'm only allowed a limited amount of time.
Oh, enlighten me now with impossible love from the former you. Just tell everyone I know the what I did for us, and in haste, 'cause I'm terrified of dying in vain. There's no way tonight, as far as I know, that heaven will take me, so I'm staggering home. Wretched and wild, all glory and trash. Yeah, I'm drunk, but I'm ready to kick some fucking ass. There's no way tonight, as far as I know, that heaven will take me, so I'm staggering home.